Hello, my dear children. Hoping that you all are fine and well. Welcome back to your computer class. And today we will start our new chapter, chapter 5, working with styles and objects. In this chapter, we are going to learn these topics. First one, applying built-in styles and creating a new style. Second one, adding a text box and inserting word art. Third one, working with shapes. Fourth one, inserting symbols and special characters. Fifth one, inserting pictures. And the sixth and last one is adding a screenshot in a document. So let's start learning without any delay.
A style is a predefined combination of formatting features and type, like font style, color, and size of text that is applied to the selected text in a document to quickly change its appearance. When you apply a style, you apply a group of formats together in one simple task. To format the title, "Welcome to the World of Style" as 16-point Calibri Light and font color Accent 1, we would be requiring 3 steps. You can achieve the same result in one step by applying the built-in heading 1 style. By default, the text that you type in a new document is based on a normal style. Besides normal style, Word provides many inbuilt styles. You can also create and edit your own style. Styles are of 2 types. To view the Styles task pane, use the Alt plus Control plus Shift plus S key combination. Character style. A character style affects the selected text within a paragraph, such as font name, size, color, bold, underline, borders, and shading. Paragraph style. A paragraph style controls all aspects of a paragraph's appearance, such as text alignment, tab stops, line spacing, borders, and it can also include character formatting. Okay, now let us learn how to apply built-in styles. To give a polished look to the text, apply a style from the built-in styles gallery. Select the text to which you want to apply a style. Hover the mouse over each style in the Styles gallery to see a live preview in the document and select the desired style. You can also click on the More drop-down arrow to see the additional styles and select the desired one. Or click on the Styles dialog box launcher button in the Styles group. The Styles task pane will appear at the right side of the document window. It displays the list of built-in styles. Choose the style heading 1. Observe the change in the appearance of the text. Let us learn about creating a new style. Select the text and click on the dialog box launcher in the Styles group on the Home tab. This opens the Styles task pane. Click on the New Style button located at the bottom of the window. The Create New Style from Formatting dialog box will appear as shown in the figure. Type the style name in the Name text box and choose the formatting effects under the Formatting section. Select the new documents based on this template radio button so that the new style will be available in all your documents for use. Click OK. The new style with the assigned name will appear in the list. Students, let's know the fact. A theme is a set of formatting choices that can be applied to an entire document. It includes theme, colors, fonts, and effects. Okay, students, know you can apply, change, and create new styles in Word 2013 by using the Styles group on the Home tab.